Today we're getting out our grapple unit, which will attach to the loader arms of our John Deere 3038E. And I wanted to shoot some footage of how this works and our current setup. The grapple unit has a hydraulic cylinder that allows the jaw to open and close. This function is controlled by the rear hydraulic lever next to the operator seat on the right-hand side. These two hydraulic hoses on the grapple connect to the hoses located at the front of the loader arms, and then run back to the rear hydraulics located by the operator seat. Here is some additional footage that we shot earlier this year for a snow plowing video. This shows where the rear hydraulic on our tractor is mounted and also where the hoses run to the front of the loader. You will also notice that our rear hydraulic has two levers, one of which is not being used right now, but we hope to install a hydraulic ram for the top arm of our 3-point that will allow us to adjust the angle of an implement on the back of the tractor. Please like and subscribe as we continue to put out more videos of our John Deere 3038E. Thanks for watching.